Hi children, today we are going to do an activity, word hunt antonyms. Let us see how to do it. Today's activity requirements are 1 A4 sheet, a black pen, a pencil and few color pencils. Now our paper is ready with few boxes and the letters in this. Okay, our task is word hunt with antonyms. So some words have been given down. So we have to search the answers downwards. And some words we will find the answers across. So let us begin to find the answers of these words. So let us begin the word hunt antonyms. The first word is backward. So the answer of backward means antonyms of backward is forward. It begins with F. So the answer we will find out downwards. So we have to find out where is F first in our columns. So here I found one F. Let us see downwards whether I will find the word or not. F O R W A R D S. So I got it. Let us mark the answer 1. Second word is encourage. So the opposite begins with D. So we know that the opposite or antonyms of encourage is discourage. So that also downwards. Let us find first where is D. Where is D here? Okay, here one D I found, but DIS only it should begin, so it is not the answer. So one more time let me find. Okay, here one D is there. So let me see. DISCOURAGE. Yes, I got the word. So second word is discourage. So we will mark here 2. Next word is light. The opposite of light is heavy. So it begins with H. Again downwards. Let us hunt for heavy. Let us begin with H. So where is it? Here one H is there, but HM. It begins with HEAVY. So here one H is there. Let us see which word it is. HEAVY. Yes. This is the answer. So we'll mark it 3. Next word is external. The antonym of external is internal. So it begins with I. Let us begin to find the word. Where is it? I, here one I is there, but IH. So it is not the correct word. Should be IN. Here one is there. IT. No, it is not the correct word. Okay, here it is there. INTERNALS. This is the word I found it. So let us mark 4. Next word is unlikely. So the antonym of unlikely is likely. It's very easy to find. Let us start hunting it. So begins with L. So let us hear one L is there, but likely it begins with LI, but it is LP, so it's not the word. Here L, LM. So one more L, anywhere here also L is there, LN. Okay, downwards, yeah. Here LIKELY. Yes, this is the answer we got. So let us mark 5. The next word is minor. Okay, the opposite of minor is major. Let us start finding it out. So the letter begins with M. Next letter will be A. M, A. Here one M is there, but it is MI. It's not the word. Then where M here? MC. No. Here MR. It's not the word. So let us search again. MA. Here MP is there. It's not the word. So here M. Okay, let us find out MAJOR. Yes, this is the answer. So let us mark 6. Now, next word is minimum. Now the answer will be across. Okay, we have to find like this the words. So first one is minimum, opposite is maximum. It's again begin with M. So let us find out where is it. Maximum, M-A. Here it is M-E. So it is not the word. So somewhere M. Yes, M-E again. It should be M-A, isn't it? So yeah, here I got it. M-A-X-I-M-U-M. So it is the answer maximum. So let us mark here 7. Next word is absence. The antonym of absence is presence, isn't it? So it begins with P. So then presence, P-R. Let us find P. Here it is across only, we have to find the answers. P-T, it's not the answer. Again P, P-R is there. Yes, yes. We got it very soon. P-R-E-S-E-N-C-E, presence. So our question number is 8. So we will mark here 8. Next word is guest. So opposite is host. It begins with H. H-O. Isn't it, children? So H here across. H is there. It's not the word. H-C is there. No. We have to find out H. There is H-I. So only 2 letters. Here. Okay. H-O-S-T, host. So we found the answer. So the number is 9. Next word is forget. That is the 10th one. So what is the antonym of forget? Remember. So let us find out. Remember, R-E. Here R-E-S-C is there. So already we found it is presence. R-U-R-V is there. The next one is R-E-M-E-M-B-R. Yes, this is a word, remember. So answer we got. So we will mark here 10. This word is disloyal. Okay, so the opposite antonym of disloyal is loyal. It begins with L. And again we have to find out across. The word will be across. So L, loyal, L-P, it is not the word. L-I, no. L-W, no. L-H, it's not the word. Let us find out. Yes, here it is there. L-O, let us see. L-O-Y-A-L. Yes, we got the word. Loyal. So let us mark 11. The last word is danger. So what is the opposite antonym of danger? Safety, isn't it? So it begins with S. So next letter after S, A. S-A. We have to find out where is S. Then A, S-A. S-A. We will find out here. S-O is there. No, this is not the word. Here S-C, no, it's already got presence. So here S-T, no. Okay, here one S is there. Let us see. S-A-F-E-T-Y-S. This is a word. So we got the answer. So let us mark it as 12, the last word. Now what is next? These all words should be colored with using the light color pencils. So let us begin to color. Now our word hunt antonym is ready. Color like this. Use same color or different as you wish. Write your name, class and subject English. Children, please do the activity. Thank you. Bye bye.